Welcome to an Aliyah a day by Benei Avraham. Embracing unity in diversity. In Parshat Naso, the fifth Aliyah, Numbers chapter 7, verses 1 through 41, we encounter a fascinating parallel between the identical gifts brought by the tribal leaders and the way all Jews recite the same prayers 3 times a day, yet each person's prayer experience is unique. The Torah describes how each tribal leader brought the same offerings to the dedication of the tabernacle, signifying their unity in purpose and devotion. However, while the gifts were identical, the Torah goes to great lengths to emphasize that each leader brought them separately on different days. This teaches us that unity does not require uniformity. In fact, it is through our individuality and distinct expressions of faith that we can truly enhance our collective spiritual journey. This notion is echoed in the way we approach prayer as a community. Everyday Jews around the world recite the same core prayers, following a prescribed order and using the same words. Yet without this structured framework, each individual brings their own intentions, emotions, and personal connection to the prayer experience. The Talmud, Berachot 29b, teaches us that just as every face is unique, so too is every person's prayer distinct. Each individual brings their own joys, sorrows, hopes, and dreams to their prayers, infusing them with personal meaning. It is this diversity within the framework of shared prayer that enriches our communal worship and deepens our connection to the divine. When we gather as a community, we witness the beauty of unity in diversity. We see people of different ages, backgrounds, and life experiences coming together to engage in the same prayers, yet each person finds their own unique connection and fulfillment in the act of prayer. Just as the tribal leaders brought their gifts individually, our individual prayers collectively form a tapestry of diverse expressions of devotion. This understanding calls us to appreciate and respect the differences in the way each person approaches prayer. It encourages us to embrace the various styles, melodies, and customs within the broader tapestry of Jewish prayer. Rather than seeking uniformity, we can celebrate the richness and depth that comes from the diverse ways in which we connect with the divine. As we recite the same prayers with our fellow Jews, let us be mindful of the beautiful mosaic of individual experiences and expressions. Let us foster an atmosphere of acceptance and appreciation for the diversity in our prayer community, recognizing that our shared devotion unites us even as our individual journeys manifest in unique ways. May the unity we find in our shared prayers inspire us to embrace differences in our approaches to prayer. Through this unity in diverse prayer, we deepen our connection to one another and to the divine, strengthening the bonds of our community and enriching our collective spiritual growth.